Hey y'all, welcome back to another video with your girl Math Mentor May. Let's talk about it. How you been? You been all right? You been doing your work? Hope we ain't got no procrastinators, child. There are times that we are gonna have to understand math with just words. What do you mean by that? Math won't always give you an outright problem to solve with like numbers and stuff. Sometimes math will give you the problem in literally just words. And it's up to you to translate that word problem into a math problem. Okay, imagine you're a native English speaker. Let's say you went to Italy. You know, they're speaking Italian. You know, it's up to you now to translate what they're saying in Italian now to English so you can understand. Kind of think of that same way with math. Hey, we're given a whole bunch of words, but if we look at it with our math eyes, it's technically a math problem that we need to solve. Drake actually did this. Did you know? Well, we'll come back to that. Normally with the word problems, they'll give us equations, and we deal a lot with equations in math, right? Let's remember what equations are. Equations tell us that two mathematical expressions are equal. And that's more than likely the reason why you're always going to see an equal sign in an equation. And we see a lot of equations when it comes to our wordy problem. I wouldn't suggest trying to memorize which words correlate with what operation. I think it really just boils down to thinking through it intuitively to understand what's going on. Today's math word of the day is more. And as we all know, all good things start with the letter what? M. Let's look at some examples. Let's talk it through. It says May has $2 and later receives $10 more. How much money does May have at the end of the day? Well, May, hey, starts off with $2. At the beginning of the day, I have $2, okay? And as the day progresses, how much more dollars do I get? 10. How much total money do I have? $12, right? So what did you do? We had to add those two numbers together. So let's look at an example. May wakes up and realizes she is really, really hungry. May eats 4 apples and realizes she is still hungry. She goes to eat 3 more apples. How many apples in total did May eat? 7 apples, exactly. So what are we noticing here with our word of the day, more? When we see the word more in a word problem, we are being told to add something, okay? We need to add. And let's take it right back to the beginning of the video when I talked about our friendly neighbor, Drake. And he says this line, let's hear it.
There's nothing that y'all can do with me. All I ever ask is keep it 8 more than 92.
Pause. Let's pause right there. So Drake is asking you just to keep it 8 more than 92. And that will give us play.
Give me 100.
Exactly.
Yeah. 100.
Just keep it 100. And what does that mean to keep it 100? It means to keep it real. Stay true. Stay you. Don't change who you are for nobody. There's only one of yous in this world. Why change? Also, this is my 100th post on Instagram. Woo! I'm going. And if you're not following Calculating Curls, like, what are you doing? Don't forget I tutor. Let me know if you got something going on. Let's talk about it. Let's work it out, okay? Yeah, math is literally all around you. Just gotta take some time to find it. Bye, till next time. Up.
100.